Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you add spaces in your name in Roblox. So first of all, what you have to do is that you have to open up your Roblox application. Now, the thing is that there is no way to add spaces in between your names on Roblox. But due to a certain glitch, which is only working for accounts created in 2024, adding spaces is now possible. But this does not work for every account either. So for example, I created this new account in 2024. So now let's just go to the settings. So now over here, as you can see, I will now try to change my username. So now over here, as you can see, still I cannot add spaces in between my name on Roblox. But on your device, it may work. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.